Let me show you the link so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing or what we are doing later.
Okay.
The health is perfect. Testing, testing. We are just testing. After everything, this testing got to go private. That nobody will be able to view it. This is the link of this one we are testing now. And who got the link?
Yeah.
So just go 102, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing from your side.
Testing, testing, testing from Belfast City.
Yes. So make we are just working on technical issue to make sure that later when we are going to come back on the history and the discussion about Nigeria, that everything got to work out perfectly.
That's good.
Okay, my brother. Thanks. God bless.
God bless.